Believe it or not, this is not financial advice. We are not responsible for any of your losses, only your profits.
What in the world is Donald Trump about ready to pump in the market next? I bet you we won't see a lot coming. Can we get ahead of him, though? Maybe just get into his mind? You know the whole Bud Light commercial and everyone's against it now? Well, this conservative-facing dude here, comedian, might be kind of like helping Bud Light a little bit. He also might be helping Trump. Why? I mean, I'm sure he's getting paid, but why did Donald Trump came out and said that Budweiser is now not a woke company? He said he's even building a list and he's checking it twice. He's going to give us plenty of companies that are not woke. He's literally going to give us a list of stocks to buy. Is this coming right from his bookies? Is BlackRock? Who's going to give him this list? Are these just his main homeboys? I mean, he's got to know people that work for Bud. You know, Budweiser's not an American-owned company anymore, except for the stock, right? But there's, I don't know, 20,000 jobs, 15,000, 44,000 jobs. I don't know, a lot of jobs in America. They're helping out veterans. Okay, so, you know, they're probably doing more good than bad being in America, at least being manufactured, you know, maybe doing some marketing. Maybe they should outsource some marketing to places like, I don't know, Texas. Maybe they should put Texas in charge of marketing. How could Bud and Bud Light finally fix themselves? I don't think it's 100% fixed yet, and I don't think they're done pumping it to conservatives. Kid Rock still isn't happy. This guy got bought out. Trump's obviously friends with people that work in there. I don't know. We got to be aware of his list. Let's get in front of it. Is this Bud for you? Is this your bros? Did you know Bud Light is even doing this? Bud has a crypto, and it's on Solana. What? Yeah, so I know nothing about it other than the fact that it's based on Solana, so SOL is a ticker on that for crypto, but we've also got Bud, so I don't know. Is that a crypto that they're doing, or is that just the stock they're trying to pump through the crypto boys? Kind of funky, dude. What I think they're doing right now is reaching. They are pulling straws because why? Look at their stock. It's not looking too good. At least the past couple handfuls of years, right? Recently, though, it's above. We've got this trend line here. As long as it stays above that, $24-ish, I'm sorry, $63-ish. I don't see why we're not going to get more bull. I mean, you've got the POC sitting right around 56-ish, $57. That's the big line in the sand, but regardless, it looks like it's trying to break out. What are they going to do to campaign it next? Tell me down in the comments. Think about this. This bro right here.
Like this video for everlasting peace.
Is literally just riding that train. He made 100% American beer, the Conservative Dad's Revenge limited edition, with none other than the mug shot on here. I'm all for this guy. Right away, what did I think?
America's been drinking beer from a company that doesn't even know which restroom to use.
I want him to SPAC. Can this guy please do a SPAC? A real little American company. It's going to do Trump beers. Why not? Now, see, I think this could be a solution for Bud. I think this might be the only thing that could really save them for hardcore conservative bros. Is to put a Trump can out. Literally, like this. Can you imagine? Imagine what the stock would do. That's why we're here, right? But imagine if this thing SPACs. If this SPACs or goes on to like a micro penny stock, I'm buying it. In fact, does anyone know this guy? Maybe we should talk to him. Try talking to do a SPAC? I don't know. You let me know. Remember this one? Fun? Phun? This is like a little micro-y thing. I think this was a software developer, but they were like gonna make a social media thing that was opened. maybe allowed conservatives or free speech, or just something like that was the pitch. Regardless, from when he was in office, it is to get up to back where it was when he was in office, we'd have to be at 242% up on the bulls. That's huge. That's over 2x multiplying. I'll do that. Already bought some. Just a little bit. How I'm playing these is I'm just dribbling into him, and then I'm listening to Trump when he's speaking, because I think he's fully going to be released for this campaign, and stuff is going to continually go up. So far it has. Are you ready to rumble? I think Dr. Trump. Can you imagine if he got Vince McMahon as vice president? That might fix America. That might even fix the world. Here is Rumble. Look at it. It woke up. It woke right up. We still have 44% more to go until we hit the all-time POC, which is what? Around $10 because it was a SPAC. But remember, this thing hit like $18.50. Guess what, though? There's still warrants. Can you give me the ticker on that? What is it? Are you going to buy common shares of this? Or are you going to buy the warrants? How about some leaps into the year? Why not? Is the risk reward worth it? Why not? Will he bitch out? He did on a couple big issues last presidency. Let's pay attention though. Pfizer, remember that? Remember the negative effect on others? Pfizer, what he bitched out about? He started recommending things he didn't recommend, and he only did it because of the lobbying issues. Somebody scared him enough, talked him into coming out and saying, never mind, I don't know what I'm talking about. Go ahead and get the thing I've been preaching this whole time to stand against. Why are we bringing that up? Because Pfizer can end up running if he does that again. Is he going to man up and stand his grounds and actually say, screw Pfizer? Or is he going to bitch out like last time and start recommending it again? What if he gets in a commercial for Pfizer? Like who? Who's famous for getting in a commercial with Pfizer right now? The football dude? Who's he dating? I don't know. You tell me. DWAC. You know this ticker? You should. What else could get pumped? Things that make money off the Pfizer, like CVS. And this could run no matter who opens their mouth. Can you guys let me know what he's been saying about Pfizer? We need to know. Regardless, we are way down from where we were, okay? If we were to, on CVS, if we were to hit back to all-time highs, it's about 45% up, Your calls could 5-10x on that. I might buy some $100 calls. Why not? It's CVS. You think CVS is a monopoly? I do. I don't think it's going anywhere. I don't like a lot of things they do. But what are we here for? You tell me. Past that, do you remember... Oh, I don't have it up. Do you remember this right here, Mr. Natural Gas? Do you remember one of the first things that Biden did is he made it harder for American miners to mine stuff, from natural gas to gold to silver to platinum to gasoline. This is a chart for natural gas. Look how insane this is. This is like, do you remember when the whole CVID thing was starting and like gasoline barrels were basically free? Natural gas is like basically free. It's literally sitting at like $1.50 right now. I don't even know how they measure this, like a gallon or however they measure it. It's down. Stupid down. Why not? Why wouldn't you start buying at least a little bit of this once a month? If we reach where we did in 2022, which was a year and a half, 2 years ago, right? Had a couple of hits up here. 543%. The risk to reward is ridiculous at this point. Now remember, we have oil. And why do I think this is a Trump play? Because he's going to come in, more than likely, And he's going to try to do the opposite and try to get the American voter, especially the blue collar bros, right? By what? Saying that we can finally export natural gas, because remember, this became macro political with the whole Russia thing too. He made it so we can't even export natural gas. Biden did. Look at these rips. This is how I play natural gas. 2022, if we get back up there, it's not possible to get there. Let's say half though, because this is like one of those ones that will decay because it's leveraged. If we get about half there though, it's like 2,000%. And guess what? You can buy options on this. But remember, these rips that we were having every what? So we went from June to July. That's 1 month. And then we went July till August. We had rips that were like 200% up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4 back and forth. 200% a piece. Watch your RSI or watch your ADR or whatever you got going to tell if you're oversold or overbought. What other tickers am I missing? I know I'm missing more.